Let's look at problem 21. 第21题. Let x be the sum of all positive real numbers, x for which this exponent is equal to this power. The two powers are equal. And with complex exponents. Exponents are complex. Which of the following statements is true? 下面哪个对的? Since the exponents are complex, we just take log of both sides to bring the exponents down. So log 2 x 2 to the root 2 equals log 2根号2的 x 次方。好，这个是变成根号2的 x 次方，2的 x 次方，然后就变成了一个2 to the root 2 log 2x equals 2 to the x power times 1/2. And then rearrange so that becomes log 2x equals 2 to the x power divided by 2 1 to the 1 plus root 2. 这样的式子。好，他问 which the sum of the real numbers satisfy, so the numbers must be the solution of this equation. And then we need to find the approximate value of these solutions. How to find? We just use the graph. The graph is the most direct way to find the approximate positions of solutions. Straightforward way and easiest way. First, we graph log 2x. Log 2x is like this, which intersects the x-axis at 1, 0. And this is the exponential growth function with the magnitude of this. So its graph is like this, which intersects the graph of y equals log 2x at 2 points. The first point A, whose x coordinate is one of the solutions of this equation, and the second point B, whose x coordinate is also the solution of the equation, and we denote it as x2. So I need to find from the graph the approximate positions of x1 and x2. How to find? We just use some special points. This is 1, and where's 2? Where's 2? 2 is to the right of x1. Why? Because we just plug into x equals 2 to check. Since log 2 to the left-hand side equals log 2 equals 1, and the right-hand side equals 2 to the second power divided by 2, 1 plus root 2 equals 2. This is 1 minus root 2. And this is 2 to the 0th power. Since 0 is greater than 1 minus root 2, so we have left-hand side greater than right-hand side, which means that log 2x is above the graph of y equals 2x over 2 to the 1 plus root 2, the graph of this. So like this. And then we check the second point, we check 4. 4 is to the right. 我们从后面答案可以看到，这边有个6，我们刚刚 check 过了4了，所以这边有个6的话，那我们下面就 check 4。4是哪里？ 4是在 x2 的左边还是右边呢？ 4 is to the right of x2. Why? Because we just plug into 4. When x equals 4, the left-hand side equals log 2, 4, which is 2. And the right-hand side equals 2 to the 4th power divided by 2 to the 1 plus root 2, which is 3 minus root 2. And since 3 minus root 2 is less than 2, so we have which is less than 2 to the 2nd power, and the left hand side is also greater than since 2 to the 3 minus root 2 is greater than 2 to the 1st power, because 3 minus root 2 is greater than 1. It's greater than 1. So this number is greater than 2, and which is the left-hand side. So when x equals 2, the right-hand side is greater than the left-hand side. 右边大于左边 ，right-hand side 是这个方程，大于左边，所以我们这个画的对的，是在 x2 的右边。From the graph, we know that one of the solutions x2 is between 1 and x1 is between 1 and 2, and the other solution is between 2 and 4. And we conclude that the sum equals x1 plus x2 is greater than 3 and less than 6. Between 3 and 6, we choose D. 所以用数性结合是很快的方法，不用做复杂的运算，直接去确认特殊点，我们要的焦点在特殊点的左边和右边就可以了。